Hello guys, today I am going to share with you how to create a Photoshop sunset effect easily only in 3 minutes. First, select the quick selection tool and select the model. I am speeding up the process because it's very boring and time taking, but you take time and make a good selection of the model. You can also use pen tool to select the model very clearly, but it is very time taking process, so I am using selection tool for tutorial purpose. Select the Select and Mask tool to refine the edges of the model. Select the new layer and click OK. Make a copy of the background layer. Select Color Lookup. Then select Fall Colors. Go to Gradient Fill and then select Violet Orange Gradient Fill. This will make your image color more bright and eye-catchy. Then go to Levels and adjust the model color with the image. I already made an adjustment for this image before creating this tutorial. You have to adjust color levels for your image. Again, go to Color Lookup and select Fuji F125 Kodak 2395. Go to Gradient Fill and select Create Black Transparent Gradient Layer. Select Radial and reverse the color. Scale it to 144%. Go to Brightness and adjust the brightness and contrast level. Please don't forget to use Legacy. That's how we can create a sunset effect in any image easily only in 3 minutes.